Hello and welcome. 30-day Crypto.com buying challenge. This is day number 2, and let's get into this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. This is on mainstream media, Crypto.com by Staples Center's naming rights. Let's get into this. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Now, we've been doing this ever since yesterday, November 21st. Who's with me? So stand up, type in who's with me. Actually, type in I'm with you in the comment line. Now, we started this yesterday and we bought $100 worth, and it was $96.16 worth of Crypto.com, $3.84 in terms of the fees. Now, we're going to go ahead and get this on Coinbase.com. If you don't have an account, click on the link below. If you want to join this challenge, let's do this today. Now, what I'm going to do here, I've got some funds in my USD, and I'm going to go ahead and convert whatever's left in his into my Crypto.com. So I'm at Coinbase.com. I clicked on one of my assets. So let me go ahead and start off. I can show you. I was on here. I click on USD, and I'm going to click on buy and sell. Then I'm going to click on convert. Then after that, I click on the convert. I'm going to find Crypto.com. It's right there. The next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna convert all of it. I'm converting all of it at this particular time, convert all of it, and I'm gonna take the information exactly what it says here, converting all. So while that's doing this, I'm gonna go ahead and get the Captain spreadsheet all ready to go. And remember, we're doing this until December 20th. We're doing this up until December 20th, 2021. That's the price, what it was. So let me go ahead and take the price and put it in the Captain spreadsheet. So that's the price of it, and 72 cents. To me, this is a really good bargain. Based off the information I'm getting, I think this is going to be much higher. And look at this, we're coming in a lower position than we did yesterday. So that's actually looking pretty good. So we're going to click on view transactions. We're going to click on the view transactions, and we're going to go and keep track of this. This is how we keep track of this actually procedure. So we can convert this. We got $1, and let me go. I'm going to go to Crypto.com. That's basically where it went to. So Crypto.com, I'm going to get the information because we just converted it over from USD to there. So it's 71 cents, 845 worth of Crypto.com. So let me go ahead. Hey, see if I can go ahead and paste that in there. And let me format it. I'll format it as well. And from here, I need to figure out how much was the fees for this. Was there any fees? Cause yeah, it was. There was a fee. So $601.83. That's how much we got worth of it. I wish they had a little bit more detail exactly what the fees was. Because right here, it doesn't say the fees, but we're going to go ahead and use this 601.83. That's how much, 601.83. And in terms of the fees, it does not say the fees. So let me go back. Let me go and see if I can figure that out here. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to use this fees right here. I'm just going to use that fee right there. For the moment until I really get a confirmation. So I'm going to use those fees right now. And I'm going to change this to number 2 because I got formulas in there. And the buying price is actually 72 cents. So let me go and make that actually change. Let me go here. Changing this, and today is November 22nd. There we go. Average buying price. So right now, profit is $2.85 right now as we speak here. But we just got into this. Who is with me? Remember, we got a long way to go. If we get here, we only on day number 2. And we got 845 worth. Let me just double check. Make sure that's right. Yep, $884 worth. I'm going to go back over just to kind of make sure, because I just do the USD, and see if I can go here. Wallet transactions. So this is the transaction. Okay. So what it was. Okay, everything is good to go. All right, everything's converted over. So we have this here. And then we'll tweet this out as well, who's with me. So I'll go ahead and tweet this out as well. And look at this, mainstream media. So I'm so happy that you're with me on this 30-day challenge. I will tweet this out as well. Day number 2 is in the books. And if we go back and do a recap, we've done, let's see, 976 worth of Crypto.com tokens. Total, we pay $705.67. The fees are very low, and this is how much Crypto.com that we paid so far. Negative $2.85. I'm not worried about this because this is about the journey. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. I can't wait to see you day number 3 on the 23rd, and I'll see you on the next video.